Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to create a QR code in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here's a clear step-by-step guide to creating a QR code directly inside Microsoft Word using the built-in display barcode field. Open Microsoft Word, start a new or existing document where you want the QR code. Place the cursor. Click where you want the QR code to appear. Insert a field, press Ctrl plus F9, Windows, or Command plus F9, Mac, to insert a field. You'll see curly braces appear. Important: you cannot type these braces manually. They must be inserted with the shortcut. Enter the barcode command. Inside the braces, type the following: google.com. The text or URL you want encoded. QR specifies the QR code type. Update the field. Right-click inside the field and choose Update Field, or press F9. Word will generate a QR code that links to google.com. Extra option: you can customize the QR code \S symbol size. Example. That's it. You now have a QR code in your Word document that anyone can scan to go directly to google.com, for example. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.